One.
So, second day of school, September 7th, and our day starts off with Google servers being down. So, even though you're getting a visual of this, students won't have this in front of them during class. Uh, I have to go a little old school and write it up manually on the whiteboard. Outcomes are here, similar to yesterday, all about policies. And our lesson plan involves one thing now, something we call the name sheet. And the reason why we're doing the name sheet today is because a couple items are becoming a priority for students, and they're kind of have some anxiety about it. So we're gonna do two things. We're gonna do the simple name sheet activity in preparation for tomorrow, and then we're gonna spend some time going over the manila envelopes, explaining to them, they should be coming out in their seventh period classes if they haven't, to remind their seventh period teacher to get those out to them, and that they, even though they've been told once to turn it into their advisory teacher and then next on a screen to turn it into their second period teacher, it really does not matter. Any staff member can take them, or students themselves can take them to the office. Eventually everyone is going to turn everything into the office for processing. The Chromebooks. Now, this is quite a learning experience. Returning back, we are dealing with a system that in part is beyond our control. We've got a pay system. We've got the technology department returning Chromebooks. We've got repairs coming back over the summer. So what's happening is not all students are getting their Chromebooks back at the same time. Don't panic. By the end of the week, we'll have the majority of them back. If you've yet to pay or do any of the processing part you need to do at home, please make sure that happens so we can get your Chromebook. Also, they're getting new cases this year, and not all of the cases are here at Northlake. They're getting them to us as fast as we can. What does help to know is that everything is being done through the science class where possible, and then the library. So today, during this name sheet activity, we were dismissing kids to the library to help take care of Chromebooks and kind of lower those anxieties. All the cases are given out. Kids get a case after they get a Chromebook and it's in their hand. And as they come back, they will come back to science classes, and I will get them to them as quickly as possible. So as for the name activity, here it is. You can see on the screen. We're just asking them in a creative, artistic way on paper to provide some of this information in a way to get to know them better, which we will use tomorrow and talking about associated learning and learn more about each other and our names. And so that was our Thursday.